Hello beautiful people, welcome or welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'm going to show you how to use the famous Batana oil for hair growth. If you haven't watched my previous video on how to make Batana oil, make sure to watch it. I'm going to leave the link to that video in the description box. Also, if you want to purchase Batana oil or any other ingredients for hair growth, make sure to check the description box. So I start by using some Batana oil. There is no measurement to this. It all depends on the quantity you're trying to make. Put some Batana oil in a bowl like so and use the double boiler method to melt it. And hey y'all, you know how we do it here. But if you're new here and you do not know how we do it here, we show a whole lot of love around this channel. So please show your girl some love by giving this video a thumbs up. And if you're new here, do not forget to subscribe and click on the bell so each time I upload DIYs for hair growth like these, you will always be notified. And do not forget to share this video with your friends, your families, as well as on your social media platforms. So as you can see, my Batana oil is all melted. Batana oil is great for scalp treatment and also for your hair treatment. If your hair is damaged in any way, if you are balding, if you have split ends, if you're experiencing hair breakages, you can use Batana oil to repair your hair and also to grow your hair much faster. Alright, so we're going to set aside the melted Batana oil. Then we're going to move on to the next natural ingredient. This is mint. Mint is great for hair growth. It is also a natural ingredient that will treat your scalp and give way to new healthy hair growth. New hair grows from the scalp, so any treatment that is going to treat your scalp to prevent dandruff or other scalp issues is your go-to. Because remember, healthy scalp means healthy hair growth. I'm just going to put some mint in a blender. And also I'm going to add another natural ingredient to even make this more effective. The next natural ingredient I'm going to add to this recipe is my clove. If you're trying to grow your hair and you haven't used clove in your hair growth routine, then you're missing out on something good. But if you have tried clove and clove didn't work for you, then you might have to learn the right way to use it. And this recipe is one way that you can use clove in order to double your hair growth. Clove has antifungal and antibacterial properties that will also treat your scalp from dandruff and other scalp issues. Clove will prevent hair breakages, strengthen your hair strands, and also help you grow your hair much faster. After blending the two ingredients, I'm going to put it in a bowl like so. And it's time to add my career oil. Today, I'm going to use one of my favorite oils, which is the olive oil. Olive oil can also strengthen your hair. It is also going to add some shine to your hair and also makes the extraction process much easier. This is sweet almond oil. Sweet almond oil is also great when it comes to hair growth. It is also going to prevent hair breakages. You do not have to use two oils. You can always use your favorite oil. I just love to mix these two oils because I love how the oil comes out. I didn't use any specific measurement. I just added it to make sure it covers all my ingredients. Then after that, I'm going to use the double boiler method to infuse this oil with my natural ingredients. And hey you all, if you're still watching this video to this point and you haven't shown your girl some love, what are you waiting for? Please show your girl some love by giving this video a thumbs up. And if you're new here, do not forget to subscribe and click on the bell so each time I upload DIYs for hair growth like these, you will always be notified. And do not forget to share this video with your friends, your families, as well as on your social media platforms, because you might not know who you'll be helping to grow their hair much faster or to help solve their hair issues. And thank you for doing all that. So I left the oil in the water, the hot water, for about 15 to 20 minutes. And I kept stirring it to make sure everything is all mixed in well. Then after that, I set it aside and even allow it to infuse more for a couple of hours. The next thing is to strain it. I love to strain my oil twice to make sure to get rid of all the little particles as you see right now from my oil. You do not want these little particles in your hair, otherwise it's going to clog your pores. So after straining this oil, I have my pure mint and clove oil. And at this time, I'm going to bring in my Batana oil. This is the melted Batana oil. I'm going to add it to my mint and clove oil. So the measurement to this is use equal amount of melted Batana oil to mint and clove oil. So once you have equal amounts, just add the two together and give it a good stir. There are two ways that you can use this recipe to benefit your hair growth, and I'm going to show you all. But before that, don't forget to mix these two oils thoroughly. This oil right here is super powerful. Batana oil by itself does wonders to the hair. And the mint and clove is also known to speed up hair growth. So the first method to use this oil is to apply it to your scalp. Make sure it gets into your scalp and also on your hair strands. If you're losing your edges or any part of your hair, concentrate on that part. After that, use your fingers to massage it in. Massaging will help increase blood flow and in return promote hair growth. After that, just leave it in. You can apply this 2 to 3 times a week. The second method to use this is to use it as a hot oil treatment. Make sure to warm the oil, apply it in section to your hair strands and also to your scalp. Cover your hair for about 30 minutes, then rinse out with warm water. Go ahead to moisturize your hair after each use.